U.S. stocks, they've fallen more than 1% on Wednesday night after the Fed's Reserve Chairman Bernanke said that the central bank would start to reduce its stimulus measures later this year. Now, this provided the economy is strong enough. Bernanke also said at a news conference that the Fed may reduce its bond buying program with the goal of ending it in mid-2014. Bernanke's comments gave the most explicit timeline to markets, causing stocks to tumble on heavy volume. The benchmark 10-year U.S. Treasury note, that fell with yield rising to a 15-month high. On closing, the Dow was down 206 points, the S&P down 23, and the Nasdaq as well shaved off a good 39 points or so. In fact, Fed Chairman Bernanke also asserts Fed's policy is no way predetermined and depends on the incoming data. Let's listen in.
If the incoming data are broadly consistent with this forecast, the committee currently anticipates that it would be appropriate to moderate the monthly pace of purchases later this year. And if the subsequent data remain broadly aligned with our current expectations for the economy, we would continue to reduce the pace of purchases in measured steps through the first half of next year, ending purchases around mid-year. I would like to emphasize once more the point that our policy is in no way predetermined and will depend on the incoming data and the evolution of the outlook, as well as on the cumulative progress toward our objectives. However, any need to consider applying the brakes by raising short-term rates is still far in the future. In any case, no matter how conditions may evolve, the Federal Reserve remains committed to fostering substantial improvement in the outlook for the labor market in a context of price stability.
There will be an end to the quantitative easing. If it's not today, it's going to be tomorrow. And so my guess is that even though the market might calm down a bit, I don't think the fears that quantitative easing is coming to an end will go away. And so, yes, it's going to be some sort of a calming effect, but I do not think it's going to really change people's fundamental views very much.